Hey Ginger, if you're watching, I'm thinking I probably need an east option. If you can find me one and text it to me. I think I'm on a county road right now. Look at Life 360, see if there's not a yo. Hang on, I gotta get out. Okay, hush. Quit whining. Look at there. Look at there, a little dust devil forming up. Looks like this police officer might be trying to stop traffic, possibly. That's not a good sign. He's got his lights on over there. I can still hear tornado siren going off. Highway 16 is going to be my best option. Big CG. Go southeast a bit, but we'll still have a view.